what's up guys, Abrar Fardin here. So in this quick tutorial I will show you how to make an incorporated logo like Pro Edits. Here is the quick example what we are making today. First thing you need to do, download this corporate logo intro. Just click on the download button and click on the save file. Okay, the download processing has been started. Okay, after download you can see this kind of a folder that is corporate logo intro. So double click on it, extract to, and click on OK. Starting after extract you can see this kind of a folder. Double click on it, yes, and boom, corporate logo intro. Double click on it, yes, and after opening this folder you can see this kind of a notes that is music and fonts link. First example, second example, third example, and plus here is the fonts. So download it. After downloading all the fonts and music, now follow my steps what I am doing.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool, the kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. About myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
So guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then give a thumbs up button and share with your friends. Any problem, just comment below, and obviously subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more this kind of video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Abrar Fardin signing out.